Are you looking for some creative and profitable side hustle ideas? Well, in today's video, we're exploring 5 fantastic side hustles you can start using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these ideas are perfect for leveraging Canva's powerful design tools to make some extra income. 5 best side hustle ideas to start using Canva. YouTube thumbnails. Providing YouTube thumbnail design services is a great way to earn money using Canva. YouTube is a massive platform, and every video needs an eye-catching thumbnail to attract viewers. Canva offers a variety of professional-looking, customizable YouTube thumbnail templates. You can easily tweak these templates to match your client's brand and style. To get started, market your services on platforms like Fiverr. Initially, it might be challenging to get reviews and sales, so consider offering your designs for free to build a portfolio. Once you have some samples, you'll be better positioned to attract paying clients. Remember, many YouTubers need thumbnails regularly, making this a potential recurring gig. Ebooks and Guides. Selling ebooks and guides is another fantastic side hustle. Canva provides numerous templates to help you create professional-looking ebooks. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use these templates to design comprehensive guides on topics you're passionate about. Search for A4 document templates in Canva to find ones that include multiple interior pages. Customize these templates with your content, and once you're satisfied, download them as a PDF. You can sell your ebooks on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Lemon Squeezy. This side hustle allows you to share your knowledge and make money simultaneously. Habit trackers. Habit trackers are a popular item, especially if you're in the productivity or wellness niche. Canva offers various habit tracker templates that you can customize to suit different needs, whether it's fitness, health, or daily productivity. Choose a template, tweak it to match your aesthetics and methodology, and then sell it as a printable product. Platforms like Etsy are great for selling these types of digital products. Habit trackers help people stay on track with their goals, making them a valuable and marketable item. Templates. One of the most versatile side hustle ideas is creating and selling Canva templates. Whatever design you create in Canva, be it ebooks, presentations, or social media posts, you can sell the template itself. This allows others to use your designs as a foundation and customize them to their needs. To sell a template, create your design in Canva, then go to Share and select Template Link. This generates a unique link that you can provide to your customers. When they open the link, they'll get their own editable version of your template. This saves them time and effort, making your template a valuable resource. Market your templates on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. Stickers. Creating and selling stickers is a fun and creative side hustle. Canva's sticker templates make it easy to design eye-catching stickers that people can print and use. Customize the designs to reflect your unique style, then sell them as printable digital products on platforms like Etsy. Stickers are popular for planners, laptops, and decor, making them a versatile and in-demand product. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.